Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for pet insurance with Petplan, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Petplan website to access their pet insurance services. Locate the Get a Quote button on the home page. Click on the Get a Quote button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your pet's information. Fill in your pet's name, breed, age, and any medical history. Select your pet's gender and whether they are spayed or neutered. Next, provide your personal information, including your name, address, email, and phone number. Review your entered information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click Continue to proceed. You will then be presented with various coverage options. Select a coverage plan that best fits your needs and budget. Next, review the plan details, premium amounts, and coverage limits. If satisfied, click on the Add to Cart button. You will be taken to the payment page. Enter your payment details, including credit card information. Review your order summary and ensure everything is correct. Complete the transaction by clicking on the Purchase button. After your purchase is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email from Petplan. Keep this email for your records and policy details. Your pet is now covered, and you can access your account online for any future claims or inquiries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.